Okay, in my last vid I picked open this old US set military American Series 200 from 808fophun down in Hawaii. Thanks a lot for the lock, man. And he also sent me this old 230, which I also have not even inserted a pick into yet. So seem to recall these are full of spool pins. Mind you, I have never picked one of these on camera before.
New Bounce Awakenings let you enjoy renewed freshness throughout your day. They're a new dryer sheet infused with scent beads that gently burst as you move, renewing the freshness of your clothes throughout the day. Moments with new Bounce Awakenings.
What's so special about Olay Total Effects?
And there we go.
Powerful anti-aging benefits.
There it is. The Master 230 from 808fophun. Picked blind, and I would imagine that was just a little over a minute, if that. So yeah, thanks from Hawaii for 808fophun. Hell of a good guy, just starting out lockpicking. Check out his vids, another up-and-comer. So yeah, thank you very much for both of these locks, which I picked blind on camera straight out of the package. So if you enjoyed that, rate it. Peace, as always. Don't use this information for any illegal activity, and have fun. By all means, have fun, and get your picking tools at uklockpickers.co.uk.